Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make stuffed mushrooms with jalapeno popper stuffing. It's really good, so let's check it out. Okay, the first thing, we're going to take 1/2 pound of bacon and we are going to fry it up. So we're going to chop it up a little bit finely. Next, we're going to take these out and get them in some paper towels to get some of that excess oil off. So next we want to get our mushrooms ready. This recipe calls for 24 white mushrooms, so you simply take your washed mushrooms and you push the stem to the side gently and just get it to pop out just like that. I got 2 packages, so I'm going to go for 24 good sized, nice looking ones. And here's our finished mushrooms that we've taken the stems out. Next we're going to put together our stuffing. Alright, so for our stuffing we're going to take our bacon, that was 1/2 pound of bacon that we crisped up. We have 3/4 cup sharp cheddar cheese, shredded. We have 4 ounces of finely diced jalapenos. We have 2 cloves of minced garlic. And lastly, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. So next we're going to take this and we're just going to mix this until everything is blended smooth. Alright, so now that we have our mixture mixed together, we're going to take our mushroom caps and simply just stuff the mixture in there. Just jam it in there, don't leave any space or voids, and as easy as that. Alright, something I thought about, I'm going to use a pipette bag. This is a 1 gallon Ziploc. I put the mixture in there. I'm going to cut off the tip and I'm just going to squeeze it in like that. So there we go. Next, they're going into an oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. See you in a second.
No.
So give them a try. Stuffed mushrooms.
Hot. Good.
Good?
They're really good. Tastes like
matter?
jalapeno poppers.
It hurts.
What, spicy?
Yeah.
And they got jalapenos in them. They're like stuffed mushrooms cross
I got that.
There was jalapenos in there.
jalapeno poppers.
It's not that spicy, is
It's
it?
hurting my throat, that's why.
Because you probably swallowed it.
Anyway, thanks for watching everyone.